and welcome back to the next video. I believe so far you have enjoyed the earlier videos on productivity tools. We're going to continue. Our next tool that we'll be looking at is administrative tool. Yes, administrative tool. You see, whatever we're doing here, we are trying to bring the traditional system of running an institution onto the digital platform. This is very good. This digital skills tool is very, very good for business startups, business owners, entrepreneurs. And like I said, every other person, whether student, employee, because you can set up everything digitally on your own. Now, we want to talk about administrative tools. We all know the works of administration: editing, filing, compiling, sorting, and all that. Now, as administrators, we are in a continent or global village where English is the largest or the highest spoken language, and we do most of our correspondence in it. You can find yourself as an administrator, or probably want to do stuff in English where you're not too sure. We all make mistakes in our writings, in our speaking. How do we help ourselves to sound professional and present our document and everything professional for the world to receive? Mind you, when you are dealing with the next person, they cannot predict who you are. So we are going to be looking at administrative tool. The first administrative we'll look at is Grammarly. Grammarly as... Alright, we are back. Grammarly as a professional editor in your pocket. See it like that. It will help you to correct basic grammatical or embarrassing mistakes in your social media updates, in your basic test, or writing a long note to somebody. So, how do we get Grammarly useful for administrative wise? Now let's go to our Play Store once again, or App Store, and search for Grammarly. So I typed in Grammarly, and even before I could finish, it pops up. So I click on it. So Grammarly is a green logo app that you find in your Play Store or App Store. Now, we're going to install Grammarly behind our system. Now, we wouldn't do much when it comes to Grammarly, okay? Grammarly is just an app that we need to install, and it will help us basically to do everything for us. So, let's just wait a little bit, or you can just skip the video a bit until it updates. So you search for it and then you install it. Okay. Okay, so Grammarly is done. So we open Grammarly, and that's it. Now, you open Grammarly and automatically should be installed in your system. Now, how do we know Grammarly is installed, and how do we start using it? Now, when you install Grammarly, Grammarly will replace your keyboard in whatever you want to do. So let's say you want to send a text message or put something on your notepad. So we want to check and know how Grammarly works. Grammarly, like I said, it works behind every text related app or tool you engage yourself with. So I'm going to try something on Notepad, so we'll see if your Grammarly is installed or not. Now I'm in my Notepad and I just want to type something. So, and if you click on your phone to start typing, you will see the Grammarly sign, that is G, boldly at the left corner of your keypad. Now what does it do? Let's see how Grammarly works. So I'm typing something and I'm typing home. This is the correct spellings of home. Now what if I was typing home and I made a mistake? I typed it this way. You see, there's a pop-up red sign on top of Grammarly that says correct your spelling, then it suggests the correct spelling for you. Okay, then you click on it, so you see the correct spelling is there. Now you want to say homeschooling, and you write homeschool. Okay, it does it for you. Now, then I write homeschooling. So you see, good. So now, you type the things that you make mistake. Grammarly suggests it to you, and then you make the correction. So homeschool S. So you see, instead of good, I put good. So it correct your spelling good. So homeschool is good. So you see how Grammarly works. It works very well. So this is how we use Grammarly such that it can work very well for you to help you check your spellings and every other things. So install Grammarly on your phone and it will help you to correct basic English grammatical errors, and you always look professional before everyone.